Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Reema from Food Safety Works. In today's video, we'll go over the essential procedures to ensure food stays safe during transportation. The safe transportation of food is crucial to ensure that the food reaching consumers is safe and of the highest quality. In India, transporters involved in moving food products must obtain an FSSAI license, which is mandatory. Choose an appropriate transportation vehicle. Transport vehicles must maintain the required temperature of the product. For instance, high-risk foods that need temperature control should be transported in refrigerated vehicles to prevent contamination. Ensure that vehicle does not cause any risk of contamination to the food being transported. For example, improperly maintained vehicles, along with inadequate temperature control during transport, can lead to microbial growth, mycotoxin formation, and food spoilage. Training and awareness programs for transporters should be scheduled and evaluated regularly to alert them about potential hazards related to food transportation, distribution, and storage. Requirements for handling and distribution of food products or ingredients are as follows. Vehicles used for transportation should be covered and should have a proper locking system to prevent the food and food packaging from any sort of damage or contamination. Food and non-food items should not be transported in the same vehicle. Effectively maintain the temperature and humidity of the food to prevent its deterioration. Food should not be placed directly on the floor bed of the vehicle. Use pallets for keeping the food. To ensure safe food transportation, clean vehicles thoroughly between non-food and food transports and maintain records of these activities. Load and unload food only at designated points. Keep cooling units on during transport and use temperature data loggers to monitor conditions. Arrange food to ensure proper chilling or freezing with adequate air circulation. In case of spillage, discard high-risk foods exposed to the danger zone, 5 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, for over 2 hours. Implement a pest management program overseen by a trained professional to ensure the vehicle remains pest-proof. Establish and follow a regular maintenance program for vehicles, especially for chilling freezing units. Conduct annual calibration for cooling units and temperature monitoring systems. Vehicles or containers used to transport food must be kept clean and maintained in good repair and condition to protect food from contamination. Containers and conveyances should be designated and marked for food use only and be used only for that purpose. Items used to hold food, example boxes, in vehicles and or containers must not be used for transporting anything other than food. Bulk foodstuffs in liquid, granulate or powder form are to be transported in receptacles and or containers tankers reserved for the transport of foodstuffs. Such containers are to be marked in a clearly visible and indelible fashion, in one or more locally spoken languages or are to be marked for foodstuffs only. Effective cleaning between the loads should be done to avoid the risk of contamination. Make sure to follow these methods for serving safe food because food safety is everyone's business. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it with your friends. Visit our website for more information. Thank you.